Ladies and gentlemen, ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಲಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಯ ಸಿಟಿ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗುಳಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಗೋಣ ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಂತೋಷ್ ನಾಯಕ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕೋರುತ್ತಾ, ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜೆಂಟಲ್ಮೆನ್, Mrs. Unity Queen of India 2021. We welcome you all with open hands and yes, a warm welcome to the contestants. A proud moment at Shriki Fashion Creations, and now is the time we would do wonderful job from day one. That is today, and we're going to have a grand finale on the 7th at this beautiful city, Belagavi. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಜೋರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಶಿಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಅದ್ಭುತ. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಕಿರುಚಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಗೆ ಕಿರುಚಾಡಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. 1 2 3. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Some of the eminent personalities who are gathered and also partnered with Shriki Fashion Creations. Avara barmakodana. Please, with a round of applause, let's give it a huge round of applause as I call it today. First and foremost, I have Mr. Saurabh Vargal, the founder at Leather Warren. Ladies and gentlemen, join us, please. Sir, we warmly welcome you. It's a pleasure to have you here, sir. Thank you so much. Please have a seat. And next, I would like to call upon Shailaja Dhunovi. Ladies and gentlemen, join us, Mrs. Queen of India, an actress at Marathi film industry, and she has also acted in Mukta Arts Productions under Subhash Bhai's guidance. Ma'am, we warmly welcome you. Thank you so much. It's an honor to have you here. Please have a seat. So next, ladies and gentlemen, Nima Chappalanige, let's welcome Rekha Avarana, Dr. Rekha. Ladies and gentlemen, join Chappalanige, a dermatologist and cosmetologist, a leading #1 skin expert at Belagavi and Goa. Ladies and gentlemen, join Chappalanige. Ma'am, thank you so much. It's an honor to have you here. Please have a seat. So next up, I would like to call upon Mr. Vinod from SLB Group's Managing Director, and he's going to be launching the first ever modeling and acting school at Belagavi. Join Chappalanige. Sir, we want to welcome you. Thank you so much. Well, next up, I would like to call upon Rupani Hoskoti, ladies and gentlemen, the founder of Ayush Aman Helping Foundation. Join Chappalanige. Let's welcome this brilliant personality, ladies and gentlemen. Chappale bartane irbeku, yaki konnagti gottilla. Well, thank you so much. And last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, Namma CEO founder, Namma Atmiya, Namma Gedeya, Namma Guru, Joy Chappalanige. Let's welcome Mr. Shrikant Shettar. Joy Chappalanige, a founder at Shriki Fashion Creations. And here we are with this beautiful project of his, Mrs. Unity Queen of India. Let's start by Bhagwan. Shriki, thank you so much, and we have a lot of things to do here. So first and foremost, I'd like to have my lovely gentleman who has created wonderful things in Belagavi. Past ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇವಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕೆಲವು ಮಾತುಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಕಿರುಚಾಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
So hi friends, welcome to Mrs. Unity Queen of India. So today we are gathered with the grand finale and day 1. This is the welcome ceremony. So welcome all Mrs. Unity Queen of India, all the grand finalists from east, west, north, south, all over India. So welcome. So first time Belgaum, like we are representing of Belgaum to in the fashion industry. So I just want to say thanks for all my partners, like associated partner and supporting partners. So and आज से start होने वाला है like difficulties and normally all the these things. So you have to chill it and can make a grand success. Okay? Yeah. Thank you so much.
जैसे ही श्रीकांत ने बताया था कि आज से जो शुरुआत होने वाला वो है एक फैशन वाला जिंदगी और फैशन वाली चीजें, उनके साथ होगा बहुत हंसी मजाक और बहुत सारा शरारती चीजें जो आप करने वाले हो. बिकॉज मिसेस जब बताते हैं उससे पहले वो एक चीज आता था कि हम भी कुछ करें लाइफ में, है कि नहीं? तो आज आपका बकेट लिस्ट टिक हुआ है कि नहीं? हाँ कि नहीं? हाँ कि नहीं? अरे नहीं सुनाई दे रहा. चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं आपके हंसी मजाक के साथ. मेरा नाम है संतोष नायक. भूलना मत, भूलोगे नहीं ना? क्योंकि अभी याद दिला दूंगा मेरा नाम का जो अर्थ है, द मीनिंग ऑफ माई नेम इज स्माइल. सो एक बार एक दूसरे को देखकर प्लीज स्माइल कीजिए. अच्छा वाला, ये कंपटीशन वाला नहीं चाहिए. अच्छा बोला जाएगा. Thank you so much. So since we have started this beautiful program and here we are with our dignitaries. Thank you so much. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. बड़ा खुशी आती है. So it is the moment I request you to please come forward and light the lamp. Let's do this together. Sir, it's an honor to have you here. Please have a seat. Good to go, brother. ಬಹಳ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಿ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಂಕೋಚ ಪಡಬೇಡಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಬಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Let's do this together. Please come forward and let's light the lamp. Ladies and gentlemen, now it comes to us, the gentlemen. Please, ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಲಿ.